Okay, I rode this bike about 600 miles over the last 2 days. I came and parked it, went to start it in the morning, and this is what I get. Pretty bright light. Choke it. Neutral. Kill switch is in the proper spot. You can see the light dims. Get the kickstand up. Try it now. Listen to that again. You can see the light dimming. Put it through some. Try it again. So, I have not done any diagnostics on it yet, but it'll just give you guys something to take a guess at, and I'm going to try and find out what's causing it. Has the original battery, 2009 KLR. I have not done any mods to the electrical system, except I was going to put a tail light flasher in there, so I did cut into some wires here. That was probably a month ago now, but like I say, I rode it for 650 miles, ran good, parked it, went to start it in the morning, and that is the ugly sound I heard. So, take a guess at what it might be, and I am going to try and find out myself. I'm going to learn how to use a multi-tester, and then I'll go through the book and do some troubleshooting and let you know what it is. By the way, it has, what is that, 6,163 miles. And it probably has about maybe a gallon of gas left in it. Alright, thanks.